video conference calls is now an integrated part of Google Classroom. If I want to do a meet with my students, I'll click on my class. I'll go to the Settings cog and scroll down to General. Here you see that Meet is an option. Right now it is visible to students. That means that they can jump on at any time. I'd like to turn that off so that they can't get on at the moment. If I'm very concerned about the security of my Meet, I can click Reset each time I am going to start a new Meet. And it's going to give me a brand new URL and a brand new Meet nickname. So when I go to classwork, Meet is not an option because I turned it off for students. Again, we go to the cog, go to settings, and make it visible for students. Now when I go to classwork, it is an option, and this is the same view as a student. Students will have this option to join the Meet when the Meet camera is available. So if I want to start my Meet, I click on that camera, and Google has given me a randomized letter number combination as a nickname. Students can join through Google Classroom by clicking the Meet camera, or they can go to meet.google.com and join by this specialized nickname. I would not give my students the URL combination though, because it changes. Every so often, as a security measure, if I even stick with this nickname, the URL changes occasionally. If I'm really wanting a secure meeting though, I will click Reset each time. And now I have a new Meet code for my next class.
Well, that wraps up another great episode of Innovate Your Classroom. Stay tuned for more with Chris,
Sarah, Krishana, Paige, Stacy,
and Rob.